Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel Without a Wire, where we explore everything a smart home can throw at you. In today's video, I've bought a new wall switch, one that doesn't require a neutral wire. I had some trouble with the smart globe and decided to rather replace the wall switch, but opening up the wall switch, I found that the wiring does not have a neutral wire. So let's unbox this and see what's in the box and do an installation and see how it works. Let's get started. So let's see what's on the box. It doesn't say much on the box. It's mostly pictures. None of the markings are actually marked on the box, as you can see. So outside of the box doesn't tell you much. Let's see what's inside. Nicely sealed in the plastic. There you can see they use the same mold because this is a one-gang switch. User manual, some screws, capacitor, and the switch itself. As you can see, this is a one-gang switch, but if you look on the back side, they use the same molding for 1, 2, and 3-gang switches. But if you look at the screws, there's only 2. So this is the live wire and that would be the live return. So from a user manual perspective, it's actually just more a little user manual card. It seems like it's using the eWeLink app, which is mostly used for your Sonoff products. And at the back there, it shows you how to connect the wiring. So the live wire would connect into the one slot, and the return wire will connect into another slot. And somewhere in your power line, this little capacitor, don't know what else they would call it, the one side would connect to the live and the one would connect to the neutral to complete the stream for this switch to work. So let's go and install this and see how it works. So this is the switch that I want to replace with a smart switch, but the wiring inside does not give me a neutral wire. To test and see if there's a neutral wire, I'm going to use this tester, and when that little light goes on for 220 volts, that would show me that there's a neutral and a live in that wiring. If the light does not go on, it means there's no current and it's basically a live wire going down with a live return. Working on this switch, I need to leave the power on to test it. So I'm using an insulated screwdriver. working. Let me just switch power back on to see what it looks like. The power is switched back on. Let's see if it works. There we go. On and off. So let's see if it works with Alexa. Alexa, switch on the bathroom. There we go. All working. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a like, and also hit the subscribe button and ding that bell icon if you want to get notifications of future content. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.